Tonight, Arizona health officials are reporting multiple measles exposures across the state. One of those exposures happened right here in downtown Phoenix last Wednesday at the Mortgage Matchup Center. The other happened in Flagstaff at the mall the following day.
It comes as Arizona deals with one of the largest measles outbreaks in the country in communities near the Utah border. 12 News journalist Maria Stobbs is live tonight outside the arena. And Maria, what do we know about these exposures?
Well, Mark Reba, we know that someone from out of town came here for a Tate McRae concert last week. And according to the concert's social media, that concert was sold out, so thousands of people could have been exposed. Grammy-nominated pop star Tate McRae packs the house at Mortgage Matchup Center for 2 days last week. But what concert goers didn't know is that someone at the show on Wednesday, November 5th, was infected with measles.
We want everyone to be aware.
Dr. Nick Staub with Maricopa County says it's impossible to know how many other concert goers were exposed. Because the virus is so contagious, it can hang in the air for up to 2 hours, even after that person is gone.
We don't know when they may have used concessions or where they were walking around.
We also don't know where the person with measles was traveling into town from, but health officials say they stayed at the Home 2 Suites by Hilton near First Street in Jackson that same night, exposing even more people.
If you are immunized, the risk is very low.
Instead, those most at risk are the unvaccinated, children under 1 year who are too young for the vaccine, and people who are immunocompromised.
Those individuals tend to have more severe infections, can be hospitalized. We have heard about deaths amongst children who've had measles this past year.
If you were exposed either in Phoenix or in Flagstaff, symptoms to watch for through the next 2 weeks include a fever, cough, red watery eyes, and a rash that spreads across the body.
We want those people to seek health care, isolate from others, and get tested.
The strongest protection, though, is being fully vaccinated.
If you are up to date on your vaccines, then this is a low risk, as is the ongoing outbreak of measles across the country.
In a statement, the hotel told us that they implemented enhanced cleaning and notified all the guests who stayed there during the time of exposure. We haven't yet heard back from the arena, and we also aren't quite sure if there was a connection between the exposure in Flagstaff and the one here in Phoenix. Reporting live in downtown Phoenix, Maria Stobbs, 12 News.
Maria, thanks.